Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Mas University. Today, I would like to bring the enzyme basic for the extraction, isolation, and purification of enzyme. Well, why we have to isolate enzyme? Because we would like to get the function of enzyme. The function of enzyme that you can see now, many company produce the good enzyme like a cellulase, lipase that is very useful for our life. First, we have to gain the detailed understanding of behavioral enzyme. As you know, that enzyme now it's difficult to get the extract because you have to know where is the enzyme is, and then also you know the characteristic of enzyme. And then the second, to learn about the specific city of substrate kinetic parameter for the reaction, means that regulation also, and structure of large molecule on mechanism catalysis. This one is before we would like to extract the enzyme, you have to get the view that enzyme is really very sensitive, depend on the situation, depend on the condition also. And then the third one is to be beneficial to medical and industrial application. After we got the enzyme from purification, and then we would like to use that enzyme for the better life. All right. The factor for purification scheme, we would like to see that the source and location of target enzyme, initial steps of purification, because the purification has also the step which is that isolate first before we go the purification step. How to isolate the enzyme? You have to know also the characteristic of enzyme, how to isolate the enzyme. And then the third one, level of expression of target enzyme. This is extraction step. And then the third one, physicochemical characteristic of the enzyme, which is that you have to use the method of purification, solubility, size, surface, adaptivity, and charge. And then the fourth one is purpose of purification. The objective and strategy of enzyme in purification: maximum possibility yield, maximum catalytic activity, and then maximum possibility purity. This is the third main of the goal of the extraction from the enzyme. You have to get the possibility yield, that after you get the enzyme as well from purification, you would like to gain the economically yield from the mass volume that you have to extract the enzyme from the animal. And then the second one is maximum catalytic activity. After you get the enzyme as well, you have to know the catalytic activity, even though that you get the good yield from the enzyme, but it doesn't active, it's not used. I mean, the catalytic is one also determine the purity of the enzyme that you extracted. And then the third one, maximum possibility of purity. This is